Hello my dear friends, welcome to the Knowledge Bank. And here you can see in this video we'll discuss about few bits regarding the science and technology which we'll face in our general studies part. And you can see here the question number 1. Which of the following are the reasons for high antibiotic resistance in India? Okay, your statements are: first one, overuse of antibiotics in livestock for promoting growth. Second one, bad sanitization practices. Third one, antibiotic, you can see here. The third one, incomplete antibiotic dosage. And which answer is right, which option is correct? A1, you can see here 1 and 3, first and third one, second and third one only, first, second and third. So which one is right? Yes, D, first, second and third. Question number 2. Which of the following statements are correct about PSLV? Correct about PSLV, Polar Satellite Launching Vehicle. Okay, first one, it contains 3 stages. Okay, it has both liquid and solid stages. Okay, third statement, it cannot launch satellites into polar orbit. So which one is correct? We have to select here. Select the correct answer using the code given below. A, 1 and 3 only. Okay, B, 2 and 3 only. C, 2 only. D, 1, 2 and 3. The correct answer is 2 only. It means it has both liquid and solid stages. Question number 3. Sriharikota. Everyone know very well about this. Much repeated question. Sriharikota is located in which of the following states? Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka. Okay, correct answer. That is C, Andhra Pradesh. Question number 4. Which of the following African countries, you can see here African countries, first ever satellite was launched by China recently? Okay, Nigeria, Djibouti, C, Sudan, D, South Sudan. Okay, correct answer, that is C, Sudan, recently with the help of China. Next, question number 5. Which of the following animals is the most common transmitter of, you can see here, okay, Quasnar forest disease to human? A, monkey, B, bats, C, birds, D, cattle. Correct answer is, okay, A, monkey. Next, question number 6. You can see here, with reference to solar and heliospheric observator, short SOHO, consider the following statement. Statement number 1, it is newly launched project of ISRO. Option, okay, your second statement, it seeks to study the structure and dynamics of sun's interior. So which of the statement given above is correct? We have to select that. Okay, 1 only, second B, 2 only, okay, 2 also, C, both 1 and 2, D, neither 1 nor 2. Okay, can you guess this? Yes, you are right, 2 only. Question number 7. You can see here, which of the following statements are, okay, is or are correct about Gaganyaan? Very, very important question. The launch vehicle for the mission would be GSLV Mk2, GSLV, geosatellite. Second one, the technologies needed for human space flight have not been tested by ISRO so far. So which is the correct statement here? You can see the option number A, 1 only, B, 2 only, C, both 1 and 2, D, neither 1 nor 2. Correct answer is neither 1 nor 2. Okay, not first one nor the second one, neither 1 nor 2. The D1 is right. Question number 8. Astram. Okay, A is RAAM. Often mentioned in news in relating to which of the following? Which of the following it is there in the news? A, it is spacecraft of NASA. Okay, it is an air-to-air missile. Okay, air-to-air Astram. C, it is nuclear submarine. nuclear submarine? None of the above. Which is the right answer? Yes, you are right. The B, it is an air-to-air missile. Next, question number 9. Which of the following chemicals is used in preparing of indelible ink used in elections? Already we know that after, when the elections going to conduct, they use the ink. And which chemical they use to prepare of the indelible, which easily can't removed? A, silver nitrate, B, silver iodide, C, sodium chloride, D, potassium nitrate. So the correct answer is yes, silver nitrate. A, silver nitrate. Question number 10. Which of the following is the true with respect to SARS-CoV-2 actually? SARS-CoV-2, it is a DNA virus, deoxyribonucleic acid virus. It has more than one way to enter the host cells. So which statement is correct? We have to select here. Option A, 1 only. Option B, 2 only. Option C, both 1 and 2. D, neither 1 nor 2. 10th correct answer is yes, B, 2 only. It has more than one way to enter the host cell. I hope guys you loved this video. If you loved this one, please subscribe to my channel. Have a good day.